Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, you'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Is your day going well? I hope it is, but you know what? It's about to get better because it's math time. Okay, friends, today we are in Module 4, Lesson 2. So go get your books and a pencil. That's what you need today. Okay. All right, you got your book? You are going to be today on page 85. But before we get started, I have something that I want to show you. Remember yesterday how we sorted by color? I don't know if I went over the word classify very much. And it's so important because classify is a math word. It's a math term vocabulary that we need to know. So when we classify something, we are like sorting it. We're labeling it in this group or this group. So classify, of course, we're going to do some hand motions. Yes. Classify means to sort. Classify, sort. Okay? Or classify, group. You're going to group them. Sorting and grouping. Sorting, grouping. Got it? Okay. So yesterday we classified by color. Today we're going to classify by shape. That's why there was a video in your warm-up on the shapes, just to refresh your memory. So let's get started. Look at here. I have all of these shapes in just lots of different colors. So we can sort them, we can classify them, we can group them by color, which is what we did yesterday. What does that mean? Look, I have 3 columns, a red column, a blue column, and a green column. And what we're going to do is we're going to take any of them that belong in red and put them in this column, and any that belong in blue and put them in this column, and any that belong in green and put them in this column. Let's see. How about this one? What color is this? Oh, right, it's green. It goes over here. Okay. How about this one? Oh yeah, that one's green too. That goes over here too. You're right. How about this one? Oh, it's red. It stays here. How about this one? It's red. It stays here. How about this one? You guys are so smart. Oh yeah, this one stays here too. You're right. Should go here? Right there? No? Why? Oh, it's red. It's right over here. So smart. My math stars. You guys are so amazing math stars. Okay, am I good? No? Oh, those little blue ones. They need to go, yep, in the blue column. You're right. Now, I'm going to count how many do I have in each column? How many? How many reds do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 reds. Let's see. How many blues? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now count the greens for me. How many? You're right. I have 3. Excellent. Okay, so that's sorting it by color, and that's what we did yesterday. Today, we're sorting by shape. There we go. So I have 3 columns again, and I have circles. What shape is this? Give you a hint, it has 3 sides. It's a triangle. And how about this one? It's supposed to be a square or rectangle. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna classify these by their shape. We already did the same exact ones by color, but they can also be grouped by shape. So let's try it. Circles, all the circles over here. Is this a circle? No, you're right. Let's get it out of the circles. Is this a circle? No, let's get it out of the circles. Is this a circle? Is this a circle? Good, we'll keep it there. How about this one? Oh yeah, there's a circle. Oh, this one. There's a circle. How about this? That's not a circle. It's in the triangle column. Is that where it should go? Yes. How about this? What's a circle? Is it in the wrong column? Where should it go? That way. Yes. Okay. Triangle column. Am I done? No. My square column. What's this guy? That's Triangle Man. He should not be here. Triangle Man. Okay. Is this good? He should stay in the squares. And this one's a square. He's hiding. Where does he go? Does he go here? No? Oh, here. Okay. Oh, there's a pesky hiding triangle. And now what we're gonna do is count again how many are in each column. We classified together, we classified them by shape. We looked at their shape, not their color. Look it, there's all different colors in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, count the triangles for me. How many? Good job, 4. How about here? How many squares? 3. Guys are great at counting and great sorters, great classifiers. That's amazing. Great job, guys. Okay, so you're going to get your book, page 85, and we're going to go on and do it together. Here we go. Let's see what it says. Can you help Dev classify and count his shapes? We just did that on our boards. Well, let's look. What shape first? Let's do circles. Let's count circles. 1. Oh, there's another one. Where? Oh, you're right. 2. 2 circles. 2 circles. Okay, how about squares? What about this one? You're right, it's not a square. How many squares are there? 3 squares. Oh, there's Mrs. Eastman. Okay, so 3 squares. 1, 2 triangles. What about this guy? What shape is that? That's a rectangle, and there's one of those. You're right. So here is another way to do it. Okay, so let's look at our picture. What did we say? How many circles? We said 2 circles. Oh dear. Why is it not letting me? There we go. 2 circles. How many squares did we find? 3 squares. How about triangles? 2 triangles. How many rectangles? 1 rectangle. Good job. Okay, so the next page is page 86. There's an 8 and then a 6. And it should look like this. Is that what it looks like? Good, then you're on the right page. Okay, so look at the shapes at the top of the page. How can you classify, sort, group? How can you classify these shapes into categories? Categories? We're just classifying them into shapes. That is their category. Their category is triangles. rectangles, circles, squares. Those are their categories. It's a big word. Write the number of shapes in each category. So, how many do you have? Here we go, triangles. How many triangles? Can you count them for me? Count them. How many did you count? 1, 2. 2 triangles. Okay. How many rectangles are there? How about circles? You want to count together? That's a great idea. Let's get to rectangles. 1, 2. How many circles? 1. How many squares? Rectangle, square, rectangle. We're going to do something real quick. Do you know the difference between a rectangle and a square? What's the difference? They both have 4 sides. They look really similar. A square has all 4 sides the same. That's a square. That's a square, right? All 4 sides are the same. But a rectangle takes those and stretches them out, like my phone. It's a rectangle. Oh, look, you can see me in the reflection. Oh my goodness, that's so silly. Here, I'll do it this way. Okay, it's a rectangle. What a pad of paper. Is it a rectangle or a square? Rectangle. Eraser. Rectangle. Water bottle. Oh, silly, that's not either one. Good job. So let's go back to our page. Now that we know the difference between a square and a rectangle. We're going to do the same thing here. Look at these shapes at the top of the page. Classify. What's classify mean? Sorting, grouping. Okay, look at the shapes at the top of the page. Classify these shapes. Draw to show the shapes in each category, and then write the number of these shapes in each category. Circle. Oh, there's one more step. After we classify and write the numbers, then we're going to circle the category that have 2 shapes. I think we'll do this one together. Okay, triangles. Let's find the triangles. How many? Rectangle, circle, triangle, square, square, circle. Oh, just one triangle, but rectangle. Remember, rectangle is a stretched out square. Let's count. Rectangle, circle, triangle, square, square, circle. So there's 1. How about circles? Let's count. Rectangle, circle, triangle, square, square, circle. 2 circles. Squares. Let's count squares. Rectangle, circle, triangle, square, square, circle. So there are 2 squares. Do you remember the last directions we had? It's to circle which ones have 2. So do that, circle which ones have 2 in each group, in each category. Are you ready for on your own? On your own. I know you are. Look at the shapes at the top of the page. Classify these shapes. What does classify mean again? Classify these shapes into categories. Draw to show the shapes that are in each category and write the number of shapes. Okay, so first, classify. Second, draw. Third, write the number. Classify, draw, write number. Classify, draw, write number. Okay. Pause this while you do it. Awesome job, Math Stars. You're done. Module 4, Lesson 2. Today we classified by shape. And you guys were Math Stars. Awesome job. See you tomorrow.